is in count. 146, are you in pursuit?
Hey, Fern, you can put me in pursuit right now. Going eastbound Capitol.
106, happy. 146, that plate is Adam 4645, negative current, 2020 Toyota Camry gray color, let's do it.
10-4. We're still eastbound Capitol, speeds 59, traffic medium. 146, I'll wait for another vehicle to come in case I exit and they take off again. Again, we're eastbound Capitol, about the 110 Hunter block.
10-4. You have 115, 160 coming.
Do you want me to approach and then if they take off you can go?
Sure. That works.
How many, do you know how many occupants or anything?
Maybe two.
Huh?
Maybe two, hard to tell at the tank.
Okay.
10-4.
Is he set up yet?
I didn't hear him say he was...
I'm 23 at the
146. 606 is trying to make contact. We're not getting compliance with the driver to roll the windows down. You want to grab my sticks and try and slide them under the car?
Yeah.
On the driver's side, in case they try and take off.
And more.
Again, looks like the sticks hit. We are eastbound on Capitol. Traffic is medium. Still eastbound on Capitol. They're about 2 blocks ahead of me. Eastbound on Capitol, approaching 92. And we're still eastbound on Capitol. They're approaching 85 now. And we just turned southbound on 84, southbound 84 from Capitol. And foot bail, 3 occupants.
I got 1 occupant down on the ground. Looks like a passenger took off going westbound and the driver took off going eastbound.
Yeah, I think so. We switched too many channels as I travel from each district. That's whatever we stirred up from the tall grass.
Come on, get your hands up. I see you behind the garbage can. Face away from me. Face away.
Face away. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
All right, I got cover.
We called
On
it
the knees. Let's get her.
Get on your knees. Drop down to your knees. Shouldn't have pulled it back, buddy. My bad.
Keep your hands in your back. Yeah.
Contact on body camera.
Sure. Sure. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Can I get some water?
Okay, I just want to make sure. I see that the top was ripped. Was that? Did you get bit by the dog at all? Anywhere? No. Okay.
I just want some water.
Okay, we'll take care of that in just a second. All right. I'm just confirming that you didn't get bit. That was already there.
Hurting.
Okay. All right.
Stand up for us.
All right.
You want to continue?
We only had one going this way, so I think this is. Yep. Check here for any other evidence.
Person stated they did not.
So what caught me was, you know, I saw what you saw. Like, oh, he definitely is interested.
Yeah, he pulled
He's
hard,
definitely interested. And then I came around. I'm like, okay, there's nothing there, and I didn't see. I couldn't tell it's a person here.
either.
But then when I got to here, I could see what looked to be.
Because he barked, and I'm
yeah.
like, oh, she's barking at something.
Yeah.
I thought maybe, my bad.
Yep.
But
So she was,
like I said, for
she
the
was,
nature of the
she was
fence.
passive, on her, basically back against here and knees out in front. So I was like, oh, is something there? You know?
Yep.
Oh man, that'll go boy.
Yeah.